Sorry, to secure direct bond between experience and expression, the use of mother tongue is prevented, is ignored. The direct method does not stress on the necessity of teaching formal grammar, and theoretical grammar is totally ignored in this direct method. In this direct method, the sentence is the unit of teaching, not the word, like structural approach. Audio visuals are used extensively to illustrate life, history, literature, etc. because other language is not allowed, so illustrations are given through the teaching aids. Stress is given on speech, pronunciation. Much stress is given on pronunciation. Questionnaire technique is adopted. Question answer method is used so that the teacher make students speak in English. The two maxims of teaching are followed. One, from simple to complex, and another from concrete to abstract. These two maxims are followed in direct method. These were the principles of direct method. Now, what are the advantages of direct method? It promotes fluency of speech. In beginning, a child may feel difficulty, but slowly his expression become fluent. It gives emphasis on pronunciation because by practice, by oral work, students, learners, pronunciation is improved. For this, audio-visual aids are used to give the correct pronunciation. Teacher also gives the model reading to give the correct pronunciation. So the students' pronunciation is very improved through this method. It is directly related to the basic skill. Basic skills are listening, speaking, reading and writing. But in initial stage, listening and speaking are much emphasized. It is full of activity because there are teaching aids. Students learn by learning by doing. So he get interest in the class and he is motivated to learn the language. In this way, he get fluency in the language. It enables the student to think directly in English. Means experience directly expressed in expression in the language. Now, what are disadvantages of this method?